Baby bus.
It's an earthquake. Let's help everyone.
It's an earthquake. The houses around me might fall. I will run toward an open area. Danger ahead. Slide to the right. Danger ahead. Slide to the left. I will stay in an open area until it's over. After playing the game, what have you learned? Now, identify the following actions as right or wrong. During an earthquake, I just cried and didn't run away. Is that correct? That's right. When I was on the street and an earthquake struck, I ran toward an open area. Is that correct? Good choice. I stepped on the broken glass when I ran. Is that correct? Congratulations, you aced it. Ouch! Is it an earthquake? What do I do? Mommy told me to stay calm during earthquakes. I have to hide with my emergency backpack. Could you help me find my backpack? Thank you. Now, where should I hide? The terrace isn't strong enough. Don't stay there. Anywhere else I can hide? Staying by the window is dangerous. The glass will cut you. Anywhere else I can hide? Hiding in the bathroom is relatively safe. Anywhere else I can hide? Hide under the bed and hold on to the leg. Anywhere else I can hide? Hide under the table to avoid falling objects. You found them all! If you are at home when an earthquake strikes, under the table and bed and in the bathroom are ideal hiding places. Let's hide! Oh no, the light is out! Let's use the flashlight.
When an earthquake strikes, please stay calm and save your strength. Help will come soon.
Remember to put on all the protective gear.
again.
Remember to put on all the protective gear.
No, try again.
Remember to put on all the protective gear. A mask can prevent dust from entering the lungs. Wearing a helmet can keep my head protected. The slip-proof gloves can protect my hands. I'm hurt. What should I do?
Think again.
I'm hurt. What should I... Use the first aid kit to treat your wound. Thank you. I'm thirsty. Good thing I have water. I'm hungry. Food gives me strength. A blanket can keep me warm.
Anyone in here?
I hear someone. Time to use my whistle to let them know I'm here.
Don't be scared. I will get you out. Do you have an emergency contact card? I can contact your parents.
Yes, thank you.
Carrying an emergency contact card can help you find your parents soon.
After playing the game, what have you learned? Now identify the following actions as right or wrong. When an earthquake strikes, I panic. Is that right? That's right. During an earthquake, I hid under the table. Is that correct? Good choice. While I was waiting for help, I screamed. Is that correct? Congratulations! You aced it.
Good morning, children. Yes, ma'am. Is it an earthquake?
What do we do now?
Don't panic. I will open the door and you guys hide. Can you help us hide? Hiding under the desk can help us avoid falling objects. Anywhere else? A firm podium creates a triangle of light. It's relatively safe there. You're correct. We can hide under the desks or next to a firm podium. The earthquake has stopped. Let's run to the playground. Could you help us queue up? Everyone, stay calm and follow me. Please help everyone find the way out. Follow us. Thank you so much. Come with us.
Thank you.
The playground is safe. Everyone put your backpack over your heads. Yes, ma'am. After playing the game, what have you learned? Now, identify the following actions as right or wrong. During an earthquake, I ran out the door. Is that correct? That's right! During an earthquake, I hid under the desk. Is that correct? Good choice! I ran off alone instead of staying with the group. Is that correct? Congratulations! You aced it! The supermarket has everything. Mom, what's happening? It's an earthquake. Hide! Mom, where are you? What do I do now? Could you help me find a hiding place? Stay away from the coolers with glass doors. It might break and cut you. Anywhere else? Shelves can fall and hit you. Please stay away. Staying by the column is a relatively safe choice in a supermarket. Anywhere else? The elevator may fall during an earthquake. Don't hide in there. Anywhere else? Hiding by the cash register is also safe. You are correct. During an earthquake, we can hide by the post and the cash register. Let's go hide. Oh no, the power is out. Here is a flashlight. What else can I use? Towel. Bread. Horn. Pillow. Water. A flashlight can help me see my surroundings. While I'm waiting for the rescue crew, what can I use to protect my head? A pillow can protect my head. Next, I need something to cover my nose.
Yeah!
A towel can prevent dust from entering the lungs. I'm hungry. Good. I'm better now. I'm thirsty. Water can keep me hydrated.
Anyone in here? I found you. I will get you out.
Whoa!
Your mom is waiting for you.
Really? Mommy! Kiki, are you alright? Don't worry, I protected myself during the earthquake. After playing the game, what have you learned? Now, identify the following actions as right or wrong. During the earthquake, I didn't cover my nose and mouth. Is that correct? That's right. While waiting for help, I drank water. Is that correct? Good choice. During the earthquake, I hid in an elevator. Is that correct? Congratulations, you aced it. An earthquake only lasts seconds. It would be more dangerous if we didn't know what to do. Prepare an emergency backpack at home, just in case. Let's see what we have. Let's put everything in the backpack. Radio. Stay updated on the earthquake and rescue situation. Dynamo flashlight. You can see your surroundings and find a safe spot. Helmet. Keep your head protected. Mask. Wear a mask to prevent dust from entering the lungs. Blanket. A blanket will keep you warm. Water. When you are trapped, water can help keep you alive. Food. Prepare non-perishable food in case of an emergency. Whistle. Blow the whistle to save your strength, and it will allow a rescue crew to find you sooner. Emergency contact. Once you're safe, use the emergency contact to find your parents. Slip-proof gloves. Gloves can protect your hands and help you climb if it's necessary. First aid kit. A first aid kit must contain a rolled bandage, cloth tape, scissors, cotton swabs, antiseptic medicine, and bandages. Now remember to put it somewhere easy to find.